Cooper, and we're just working him on the getting him to come to with the collar. He's got to understand that that's us communicating. And I can just tell you, based on this dog's behavior, they called him over there to admonish him because he just gets a look on his face and he starts slowing down when he gets to you. So we want him really coming quickly and doing all these things, that he's not going to get in trouble, you know, when he gets there, sort of situation. So only doing it when his back is turned. Jojo. Mighty. The little pit bull. Cooper. Good boy. Cooper. Good. That's for everybody at home too. I'm moving away to increase the dog's speed. We do not want one coming to you as slowly as possible. And it's been a while since we've had one. I don't even ever really recall one. You know, as he gets closer, he gets a look on his face like he's been admonished. I kept holding it down. He started to stop and scratch it, but I kept holding it down until he turned and moved in my direction. Even then, you'll see, we'll really increase his speed, but this is just a good case study for you guys at home that are working with them. You know, because if you allow one to start out slow like that and you allow that to continue too long, then that's going to become the habit.